Hi student, in this video lecture we describe the 12 research process steps. A research process consists of a series of systematic procedure or steps that a researcher must go through to generate knowledge that will be considered valuable by the project and focus on the relevant topic. The first step is choosing a research topic and a supervisor. Firstly, identify a relevant medical research topic and select a supervisor to guide the project. The second step is reviewing the literature. Conduct a thorough review of existing research literature to understand the current knowledge and identify the gaps. In third step, we state the research objective, hypothesis, and research question. Clearly define the aim of the study, formulate a hypothesis, or pose a specific research question. Research protocol. In fourth step of research process, we develop a detailed plan outlining the methodologies, study design, data collection, and analysis strategies. In fifth step, we register our research project, officially register the study in a organized registry to ensure that transparency and avoid duplication. Ethical approval. Obtain approval from an ethics committee to ensure the research meets ethical standard, especially when involving human and animal subjects. Research funding. We secure financial support through grants or institutional funding to carry out the research. Data collection steps. We gather data systematically and maintain accuracy, secure records for analysis and verification. The interpretation of data. This step analyze the collected data and interpret the result in the context of the research question. Writing the report. Document the research findings and conclusion in a comprehensive report. Presenting research. Share finding through presentations at conferences, seminars, or academic meetings. Writing a paper for publication. In last step, we write the paper or a manuscript based on the research and submit it to a peer-reviewed journal for publication. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.